In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table from Perplexity AI and move it into Microsoft Excel seamlessly. This process might seem a bit tricky at first, but follow along and we'll break it down step by step together. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your web browser and go to Perplexity AI. This is the platform where you'll generate your table. Once you're there, in the search bar, you're going to want to type in a specific command. It's important to ensure you input it correctly for everything to work smoothly. The command you'll use is generate a clean markdown table that can be easily copied into Microsoft Excel. Use was and ASIN separators. The columns should be name, category, price, and rating. Include 10 sample rows with realistic data. What this does is get Perplexity AI to create a structured table in markdown format, complete with realistic sample data entries. Once you've entered the command, Perplexity AI will generate this table for you. The next step involves exporting this table. You'll see an export option pop up on your screen. Click it. This will present you with a variety of export formats. Here, you want to select the PDF option. By converting your table to PDF, you're making it ready for the transformation into a more Excel-friendly format. Now head over to Cloud Convert, an online file conversion tool. This is where you'll convert the PDF format into something you can easily open in Excel. On the Cloud Convert website, click the Select File button and upload your newly exported PDF file. Once it uploads, you need to set the conversion format to Excel to make sure it is compatible when you import it later on. With your file ready and format selected, press the Convert button to begin the process. Give it a moment. The conversion might take a little time, depending on your file size and internet speed. Once it's done, a download link will appear. Click to download your converted Excel file onto your computer. As the final step, you'll take this file into Microsoft Excel. Open the Excel application or Excel Online, and look for your Excel file. Click on Upload a file within Excel. Locate the file you just downloaded and select it for upload. Once the upload completes, your table should appear intact and in the correct format right there in Excel. And that's it. You've successfully moved a table from Perplexity AI to Excel. With these steps, you can replicate this process anytime you need to transfer tables in the future. Feel free to pause and replay this video as needed. Thank you for watching and see you next time with more tech tips and guides.